What up, guys? Something new, something different. Right now, driving home from work. Finally, actually not finally. It's actually pretty early. It's 5:37 right now, and I am about 4 kilometers away from home now. So yeah, I'm sorry about the sun, if it's disturbing you, but you'll get better. It will get better. Yeah. So I thought I might make a video today for you guys to keep you entertained, to keep my channel on going if I'm in the flow, you know. So what I'm going to do today, I don't actually know either, because I just started the video without thinking. I just thought like, oh, maybe I turn on the camera, and now I turn on the camera, and I'm sitting here and thinking, what shall I do? What shall I do? I can't see you guys because the sun. Wait a minute. Oh, now I can see. Oh, okay. It is recording. It is still recording. We are still going. So yeah, I'm at a bit of a not a traffic jam. It's just like a lot of traffic right now because people don't know how to drive here in Switzerland, you know? No, I'm just kidding. It's still better than in Thailand. No, actually in Thailand I don't know. It's actually the same. It's not that much of a difference. People always make fun of Asian people because we drive that crazy, but actually we don't drive crazy. It's just crazy because you're from a different country. Oh, animal ambulance. Someone hit an animal. Poor little thing. Yeah, I'm not allowed to touch the phone while I'm driving in case there's a policeman. I won't have a phone anymore. Oh no, not a phone. I will have my phone, but I won't have my money anymore because I have to pay a fine of about 100 francs, $100, $105, something like that. Yeah. So I'm going home. I actually wanted to wash my bike today, but there isn't enough time to go to a proper wash center to wash it. And I'm pretty tired after a day of working. I don't know what I'm gonna do actually. Oh, my mouse. Hello. That was my mouse. Actually, my camera is covered in bullshit. Is it now better? Yeah, I guess so. Oh, the sun is shining. When the sun goes down. I look fat. That's a bad angle. I have to find a new angle for this one. Now I'm here at the dinosaur museum in Aarhus, for people who know that place. I'm just bored. I'm just pretty bored. That's why I took out the camera and now I'm recording myself talking to you to a phone. I'm crazy. So yeah, if you're like a silly person, then watch this video. Sometimes I just don't know what to do with my life, and then just record myself driving a car. Maybe I jump off a cliff. Maybe I drive in the car in front of me. Who knows what will happen in this video? It would be so random if something would actually happen right now. It would be like a win-win situation. Oh, nice GTR. Yeah. What shall I do? Guys, what shall I do? Yeah, I'm going to fix my car. Now I'm talking about common sense. As I told you guys, the back springs and the back suspension and the disc brakes are pretty rusty, and I don't like rusty things on my car because I don't know when it's going to fall apart. So I ordered the replace things, and I'm going to change it by myself. The question is when those things are going to arrive. And if they arrive, as soon as they arrive, I would change them as quick as possible and make a video about it and show you guys how I do it. If I do it right, good. If I do it wrong, good, because you're entertained of a stupid man doing something on his car and he actually doesn't know what he's doing. No, I actually know what I'm doing, but I haven't done it for quite a while now, quite a bit. For some people might remember that I used to work in Isuzu garage back in Thailand for 6 months, yeah, and Suzuki for 3 months, 2 months, actually 2 months, because I had a motorbike accident and broke my collarbone, and they shortened my time to 2 months because 6 weeks I couldn't move my arm for 6 weeks. That's why they fired me. No, they didn't actually fire me, they just, let me go. Let it go, let it go. Yeah, that's what they did with me. So, right now heading home, nearly there. I nearly arrived at home. If the person in front of me would just drive on, drive a bit quicker, there's a lot of space in front of you, and it's a 60 zone, not a 50 zone. Oh, I actually miss doing motor vlogs with my ATV back in Thailand. I actually need a GoPro now. Now I want my GoPro back. I have to buy a new one. Will he make it? Will he not? Will he make it? Will he not? He's making it. I don't care. Yeah, crash it. Whatever. Yeah. So, now that I'm nearly home, I actually don't know what to do anymore. I'm pretty tired, that's for sure, because I woke up early this morning. And come on, guy, big guy, come on, drive, come on. Yeah, and now I'm tired. I actually had about 8-9 hours of sleep, but I'm still tired. Oh, come on, guy, you could have waited instead of driving in front of me and crashing into me, making me all scary. There's a man on a bicycle. Hello. Oh, I know him. I know him. He knows me, I guess. So neutral and let the car glide. Oh, I feel safe. Wanna miss somebody. Maybe I will wash a bit. No, I'm tired. I don't know. Guys, what shall I do? What do you guys do when you're tired? Because I don't know. I'm just tired. I just want to head home, arrive at home, and do nothing. Oh. They are also just arrived. My house owner just arrived also. Maybe I'm gonna clean my bike. Yeah, let me wash my bike. I'll change my clothes and then wash my bike with you guys. Just because I can. So, I don't know if you guys do it too, but I do it. It's called keeping detail of your car. Like today I drove 51 kilometers. I write that down. I write down my mileage 162,562. Yeah, I'm gonna wash my bike. I don't know. I don't care. I'm gonna wash my bike. And then reset my trip. So tomorrow I am fresh. So guys, I'm gonna change my clothes and I'm gonna talk to you later. So let's do it. Washing the bike. Oh, my hair again. It's always so messy. It's actually just because I wear a hat all day. So, let me get it started by putting the bike up. Yeah, up like that. And now, getting clean. The most dirty part is always this one here. And the fenders. More is actually nothing more. I have some soapy water and then we're just gonna wash it. Yeah. Let's wash it. Not sweet, not use them. Go protect you for. Okay. Then move. Move in this one. So hey guys, I actually wanted to upload the vlog and I forgot that I haven't finished the vlog. So yeah, here I am finishing the vlog. I'm so terrible at this, hey. Yeah. So I had some guests coming over, we had a little bit of fun together. That's why it's been late, but yeah, that's actually all I have to show you today. So I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, subscribe, hit the like button and follow for more. Have a nice week. I'm sorry. Have a nice week and I hope you enjoy your day. See you guys soon.